HCSA-L torque EV high voltage wire harness testing table. It is used for the integrated installation and detection of clip installation and torque tightening in the wire harness industry. Dual screen configuration with real-time display of clip detection, tightening detection. Scan the code to enter the detection program. Graphic guidance to guide the operation. LED intelligent guidance. Clip detection. Graphic guidance to guide the operation. Select the appropriate socket. Tighten. Tightening detection.